Today we received off of the truck a brand new 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63 S 4MATIC Plus. It's a beast of a car. The first thing we do once we receive these cars is obviously unload them off the truck. After that, we'll deactivate the transport mode. After that, we do the pre-delivery inspection, which includes a full service mechanical and safety rundown. The vehicle's interior and exterior both come fairly well protected. So the next thing that we do is pull those protectants off, both off the outside and the inside of the vehicle. Finally, we take it for a road test where we ensure that all the features of the driver's assistance package are fully operational. Once we're satisfied with the overall condition of the vehicle, we send it up to our detail team. In our detail department, our team begins by washing the vehicle. After that, they'll of course dry it off and check the surfaces. Any inconsistencies need to be buffed out at this point and fully prepped for delivery. At that point, we'll also vacuum the interior, wipe down all the touch points, make sure that we have no fingerprints, and the car is tip-top inside and out. Car's prepped, it's ready for delivery to the owner.